Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to use the Audio Magic Eraser feature on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other older Pixel device. So using this Audio Magic Eraser feature, you can remove the distracting sounds like any wired sound, any crowd sound or any music sound from the video you taken on your Google Pixel device. So let's see how to use the Audio Magic Eraser to remove the unwanted sound from the video. So first of all, open the Google photo on your device. Select any video you want to remove the unwanted sound. Like here we select this video. Now listen the sound first. Now to remove this unwanted sound or distinct sound, tap on the edit icon at the bottom. Now by default automatically select the video and here you can see the audio eraser option. So tap on the audio eraser. Here it will identify the sounds. Here you can see how it works. Now wait until it will automatically identify the and remove the unwanted sounds. Now here it will create the sound. Tap on the noise option. Here you can adjust the background noise you want to set or remove distracting sound on your device also. Also select the default option. Tap on this icon to explain Audio Magic Eraser. Reduce the distracting sound like a wind or crowd and control the sound of individual speaker. Automatically adjust the audio level with the auto button or manually adjust sound. So you can adjust the manually also or automatically button. So tap on OK option. Now here you can adjust automatically or manually. After that, now play the video and you can see it will totally remove the sound. Now this is now tap on a done option, tap on a save copy. Now here you can see we play the video. This is the using Audio Magic Eraser feature. Now we play the without Audio Magic Eraser. You can find both clips in the at the end of the video to